Darkberry32, and I'm coming to you guys with another outfit of the day. It is Thursday, my favorite day out of the week, and yeah, so it's going to be a great day, right? Practice positivity. Remember what I said in Dear Darkberry. And speaking of Dear Darkberry, if you haven't seen any of those, it's a new segment that I started on my channel. It's called Dear Darkberry, and it basically, I talk about things that you want to know. I've had from how do you stay positive every day to how do you deal with your skin color in a society where fair skin and thin noses is the norm or what people consider beauty. And then I've even had some where I've helped someone going through a divorce at the early stages of divorce. So if you have any kind of problems or issues that you want me to tackle, even if it's something to deal with how do I stay, dressed nice every day when it's sort of a struggle for you, whatever it is, go ahead and reach out to me. You can reach out to me at Facebook /Darkberry032. You can reach me here on YouTube and send me a personal message, or you can always email me at darkberry32@gmail.com. So yeah, but anyway, let's get back to the outfit of the day. Today I have on a pair of black heels that I got from Dime West. And y'all, these are the most comfortable heels. Like, I can wear these all day. I love these heels. And I know it's like there's no platform or anything. The heel is probably, what, maybe 2.5 inches or something like that, or 2 inches, which is perfect for me. I don't need anything real high or anything like that. I mean, I am short, but I have to deal with what God gave me, so, but I like the length of the heel. Then I have on a pair of white capris that I'm sure I got from a thrift store. They are from New York & Company, but I think I got these from a thrift store. And then I have on this white shirt, this blouse that I got from the thrift store. It was $1.25, can you believe it? It came from Dress Barn, and it's pretty big. It's a 3X actually, but what I did was I put a belt around the waist. I might need to do the belt a little bit tighter. I was trying to go for a looser fit, but yeah, got a belt. This belt is also from a thrift store, and I just put it around here just to kind of give it some dimension, because if I don't, it looks like this. It's pretty big, but it's still, I don't know. It's not too big. Let me look. It's not too big, but, I just think it looks better with the waist cinched in. Let me try to go for, instead of the one loop, I'll go for, let's go for 2. There we go. So you can kind of blouse it out a little bit there, and zhuzh. And so yeah, $1.25. Can you believe this? This is like it's brand new, like nobody's ever worn it. I don't know. I love my thrifting. I love, 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 love my thrifting. So yeah, and then as far as my jewelry is concerned, I went pretty classic. I have on this ring. My mommy gave it to me. Got this bracelet that I got from a garage sale. And then I just have on these loops here. If you notice, I got my nails done. I know you're probably like, when are you going to get your nails done? This is Cajun shrimp. And it's a shellac, but it's Cajun shrimp. And then I also got Cajun shrimp. This is not a shellac on my toes. And here's a close-up of the shoes. See the heel size? It's got the little zipper in the back, but I love them. I absolutely love them. So, yeah. Makeup. I just did a highlight, eyeliner, mascara, and then I have Lovely Rouge by Milani on my lips. I think that's it. My hair, just, you know me and my hair. I love this hair. And then I want to get it cut shorter. I know you're like, you ain't got no hair as it is. Yeah, I got hair. I got plenty of hair. It's just laid down. But I need to get it cut shorter because I like it when it's really, 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 really short. Like, it's the coolest. But anyway, I will talk to you guys later. It's Thursday. Have a fabulous Thursday because I know I will, honey. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.